from masonjars.com, and I am here to bring you guys a really easy recipe for a snack that you can do that's kid friendly, that's adult friendly, that's everyone friendly. Before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that on masonjars.com all of our ebooks are free right now. So that's the fermentation ebook, the kids ebook, the lap book, kind of any of the ebooks. If you go on masonjars.com and go under category books, you'll be able to see all those ebooks that we have for free right now. So to start off, I wash my hands very thoroughly. Obviously you want to do that before you're cooking anything. And so to make this easy recipe, we started with one ripe banana. So I put this one banana in here, and then we are going to put in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter in this large bowl, and we are going to do 1 teaspoon of honey. This is raw honey. I believe the honey I'm using today is wildflower honey. No, clover honey. Okay, so we're putting the peanut butter and the honey in our large bowl with our ripe banana, and now I'm going to kind of just smash it up all together so it's all one great mixture. So I'm just using a spoon to a fork to smash this up and to mix it together. Like I said, this is a really, really easy recipe that's kid friendly. You can make it to, whatever their tastes are. So I'm kind of mixing it and smashing it all together. If anybody has any questions, just save them for the end, and I will be sure to grab it and answer them. Okay, I have the banana, the peanut butter, and the honey all smashed up now. I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon in here now just to taste. You don't have to add this stuff. I just love cinnamon, so we're going to do this. So that was probably like a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. It wasn't very much at all. I'm going to mix that in there. And now I'm going to add, make sure that's all mixed. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup to a cup of granola here, kind of to taste. Now I'm going to mix this in here. Okay, now that I have that granola really mixed in with this mixture, I'm going to add, this is about 1/2 cup of, this is just smashed cornflakes. You could use Rice Krispies, anything like that. So just going to add this in here. Really anything your choice. If you really wanted to, you could just add more granola in. This just gives it a little more flavor. Maybe some sliced almonds. Really anything like that. Now, my mixture is still a little bit wet, so I'm going to add a little more granola in. Because at the end here, we are going to make these into little balls. And we're going to put them in the fridge or freezer if you'd like. Add a little more granola. So that ended up being about 1 cup of granola here. It really just depends on your banana and everything that you're using. Okay, my mixture kind of looks like this now. So now, all you do is you make them into little balls. Like I said, I already washed my hands. Make sure you have clean hands for this. We'll make them into little balls. And if your mixture is still really runny, like mine is, just keep adding, the cornflake mix or the granola mix, and that will make it a little bit sturdier, easier to make those into balls. take this little ball that I'm making here. I'm going to put them probably on just like a cookie sheet or something, and you can either chill them in the fridge or put them in the freezer. In the freezer, they'll last a couple months, we'll say. In the fridge, eat them within, 4 to 5 days, I would say. 5 days at the very, very max. But I don't think they'll last that long because these are incredibly delicious. So, to remind everyone, that was 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, about a teaspoon of honey, 1 cup of oatmeal, maybe a little bit more than that, since it just depends on your mixture, how wet it is, how much you need to add, and about half a cup of the cereal of your choice. Mine was cornflakes. So I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to grab your guys' questions. Okay. Okay, let's see if we have any questions here. Does not look like we have any questions today. But if we do, I will make sure to answer them in your comments. So keep a lookout. And just a reminder, all those ebooks are free. So fermenting, anything you have questions on, download them. All right, till tomorrow. I'll see you guys later.